Once there lived a man named John, who was very miser. One day, John went to meet his friend named Harry. Harry thought to himself,
"My friend is such a miser. Last time I visited his home during lunchtime, he didn't even mention having lunch, or insist I stay. Well, it looks like it's time to teach him a lesson."
He took him to the market and said,
"It's dinner time. What do you wish to eat, dear friend? Let's go with me to a nearby hotel."
When Harry mentioned going to the nearby hotel, John felt happy.
"Oh,"
he whispered to himself,
"dinner at the hotel means I'll get to enjoy a delicious meal."
Then they went to a hotel. The friend asked,
"How is the dinner?"
The hotel owner replied,
"As tasty as sweets, sir."
"Then let us have sweets."
The friend said. John couldn't remember the last time he had sweets. As they headed to the sweet shop, he thought to himself,
"Oh, it's been ages since I've had any sweets. Now I'll get to enjoy some for free."
John's eyes sparkled with anticipation as they approached the shop. Harry asked,
"How are the sweets?"
The sweet shop owner answered,
"The sweets are as sweet as honey."
The friend said.
"Let's go and have honey."
John smiled to himself, thinking,
"Oh, I love honey. It's been ages since I've had any. But now, I'll get to enjoy some free honey."
Then they went to a honey shop and asked.
"How is the honey?"
The honey seller said,
"As pure as water."
"Oh, I shall then feed you with the purest food, which is water."
said the friend. So he offered a pot full of water to the miser. From that day onwards, John left his miserliness. Moral: remember, life isn't just about saving every penny. It's about sharing moments, enjoying good food, and embracing the sweetness of life. So, don't let greediness hold you back. Instead, open your heart, share with others, and savor every delicious moment life has to offer.